Hey, my name's Travis Wilkie, and I just want to start by thanking you for being with me here to discover Local SEO Accelerator, the underground system that 432 savvy business owners across the country are using currently to scale their local businesses. A lot of business owners complain about not doing well, but not a lot of them are out there taking action to improve their business. So it says a lot about you that you're here right now learning how you can take your business to the next level. So kudos to you. Let's jump into it. So Local SEO Accelerator gives you access to techniques and strategies that are normally only in reach of companies with 7 or even 8-figure marketing budgets. It's going to allow you to get your business on the front page of Google and other search engines, of course, for high traffic search terms in a matter of months. So we're talking terms that people would actually be searching for if they were looking for your products or services. Not only that, but Local SEO Accelerator will 4x your organic traffic and add new customers to your business consistently. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds way too good to be true, Travis. Well, let me just show you a few examples really quick. Like Rob from Montana Fishing Guides. When we first started working with him, he didn't have a website, he didn't have a domain name. Heck, his business wasn't even set up yet. After we developed a new website that was completely optimized for his local-oriented search terms, you can see his site started showing up on Google after just 1 month. Now, it was in, position 23, 33, 35, so it's not anywhere where it was seeing a whole lot of traffic, but if we look at 3 months after launching the new site, we can see that he was on the first page of Google for over 15 local-oriented search terms that people would be looking for if they were trying to find his products or services, like Craig Montana Fly Fishing Guides, for instance. And you'll notice in the right-hand column, you can see basically every single one of these terms is getting search traffic every single month. So it's not like we're getting him ranked for terms that nobody's even looking for. I mean, within 2 months of his new site going live, he was starting to generate sales through organic search traffic. And that's from starting at square one with no website, no domain, nothing. I'm telling you guys, this system is next level. Or Brett from Buckhorn Ridge Outfitters, who went from having a website that didn't really rank for anything at all. I mean, we're talking didn't show up in Google really whatsoever, to being in position either number 1, 2, or 3 on Google for basically every major term that somebody would even use if they were looking for their services. So you can see here, anyone looking for boat rentals in their area is going to find Buckhorn Ridge Outfitters now because they're in the top 3 spots for essentially all of the major terms. And if you look on the column on the right, you'll also see that almost all of those terms are getting search traffic every single month. Not only are they showing up in the organic listings, but their map listing also ranks now. So we were able to get them in position number 1, 2, or 3 with their map listing as well. So you can see from the screenshot here that on the first page of Google, they take up 2 spots. So there's 2 different places where people are finding them on the first page of Google. And the result of all of that was a huge boost in organic traffic coming from Google and other search engines. You can see here, as we get towards May, June, their traffic just took off. Now it takes a little while to get the site optimized and up to speed, but once it takes off, look out. And as an end result, within 6 months, they were able to increase their sales by over 800%. And these are high-ticket sales. I mean, we're talking thousands of dollars per purchase. So, 45 transactions times $1,000 per purchase, that's $45,000 in 1 month. I mean, we're talking some pretty good numbers here. So, how exactly is Local SEO Accelerator able to get these kinds of results for local businesses across the country in the first place? Well, through the use of automation and systemization, we've been able to accomplish the same results as the very top local SEO companies in the country, but we're doing so using only a fraction of the budget. Look, at Local SEO Accelerator, our main goal is to give small business owners the tools they need to compete with the large businesses that seem to be taking over. And that's why we like to keep that small boutique feel so that you don't feel like just another number on the board for a massive company that's completely out of touch with their customers. In fact, the odds are you'll end up speaking with me, the owner. And the only reason I have time to do that is because of the brilliant systems that my team has helped me develop over the years. And I love helping people and watching their businesses grow because of our system. It is a blast. Not to mention, it's really quite a rush to see somebody 8x their business in less than a year. Ultimately, Local SEO Accelerator allows you access to a level of local SEO normally only reserved for companies with 7 or 8 figure marketing budgets. What that means is no matter where you're located or no matter what niche you're in, our system will allow you to absolutely dominate the organic search rankings in your local area, even if your competitors are currently doing SEO themselves. None of your competitors will even stand a chance against our system. Not only that, but we also guarantee our work. So if you don't see massive results within 60 days, then you don't pay. We're a results-oriented company, and if you aren't getting results, why would we make you pay? That just doesn't make any sense. In fact, over the last 7 years of perfecting our local SEO system, we found that once we can get people results, they actually want to pay us more so that we can keep growing their business and scaling it to the next level and the next level and the next level. And those are the type of business owners we like to work with. The ones who understand the value of an investment and how to really scale a business. It really is a win-win. You benefit and so do we. And really, the more you benefit, the more we benefit. So if you're ready to push down on the accelerator pedal of your business and drive your sales to a whole new level, then fill out the form on this page, jump on a quick follow-up call, go through all the details together and get you started. All right, I look forward to seeing you on the other side.